Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings for you guys. Let's get to cooking. On today's menu, we have some sweet, spicy garlic and ginger chicken wings. And I'm starting off this video making the seasoning rub. So I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons baking powder, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon black pepper, half tablespoon sweet paprika, half tablespoon onion powder, half tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Chinese 5-spice seasoning, and 1.5 teaspoons smoked paprika. So now combine all the ingredients and be sure to combine them well because you don't want to have a patch of unblended paprika, baking powder, onion, and so on and so forth. So mix it up, girl. And here I have 2 pounds of chicken wings and I'm just patting them dry. I already dried them after I wash them with vinegar and lime, but I'm just patting them dry again to make sure they are absolutely water free because it helps to keep them extra crispy. So now let's add the seasoning rub to it. So I'll be doing this in 3 parts. Just to ensure really that I get all of the seasoning on there properly. So I'm going to be using my tongue to mix it up and to help, to evenly distribute the seasoning. So yeah, rub in or rub out whichever one you want to do, as long as you rub. And here is the second dash out. And of course, when you dash out, you mix. So now we are going to mix. Mix up, but no blender. And last but definitely not least, the final dash out. Guys, you are going to hear the baking powder reacting with the other seasonings when you pour it on the wings. Trust me, it's interesting. And you really want to rub this on the wings properly. Really good. Please do rub it in good. So here I'm showing you all the ingredients I'll be using, and even those that I've already used. They actually do sell the garlic and chili paste mixed together, but I found them separate that day. So of course, me can dash them together myself. And by the way, guys, you can fry the wings instead of putting them in the oven, but just make sure if you're doing that, don't add the baking powder to it if you're gonna fry it. Look how my chicken well seasoned. So I'm just placing my wings on my little rack. And guys, as me say, look pa my chicken, how it well seasoned. It look good, right? So your oven should be preheated at 218 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna bake this for 20 minutes and then flip them over and boom, we that 20 minutes. So let's flip out on these wings. So we are going to flip them over and then put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes. If your wings are extremely big, then after this next 20 minutes, flip them again and then put them back in for another 10. But my wings, they are normal size, so this last 20 minutes will be fine. Those look ready to be eaten, but they are not. So while my wings, put them back in the oven for 20 minutes, and while my wings are bussa one bake, I'm going to make my sauce. So half cup of honey, and you know you have to get all of the honey out of the cup. Well, I do. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of garlic chili paste. And now I'm just going to grate a piece of ginger in it. It wasn't a big piece at all. I think when I grate it, it turned out to be about 1 teaspoon of ginger or something like that. Scrape it off, and now that that's done, let's add 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and a half teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Now mix that glorious sauce up and then taste and see what else it needs for your liking. So if you want more garlic, put more garlic or whatever you like. Yes, Lord. Ooh, yes, Jesus. Ooh, praise him, praise him, praise him, praise him. Oh, Jesus, mighty. Hey, God. Look at that chicken wing, a bubble. Bubble, girl. Bubble. Come right out with your bubbling. Okay, this is it all done. Now we are going to pour some of that splendacious sauce all over them wings. Yes, pour it. Ooh, pour it. And then give it some shake. And then we're going to give it some toss. Shake away, girl. And toss away. Ooh. Shake and toss, me say shake and toss. Shake and toss, me say. Okay, so now we're going to add the rest of the sauce to them wings. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And give it another shake and toss, another shake and toss. Ooh. Oh, those look so good. I'm telling you guys, this sauce is everything and then some. I mean, everything. It make you actually feel like you just want to run away and then come back and eat the rest of your food again and then run away again and come back. I mean, it do something to you. It really do something to you. No joke. Gotta get it good all up. Oh, look at that. Ooh. So now let's zest it up with some lime zest. So grate that thing and then give it some more tossing. Make sure you don't miss out the part here, you know. Like, I mean, everything add to the final taste. The final touch, I mean, everything add to the final touch. So you don't want to miss nothing. Glory! Ooh! Ooh! Vibes fam, see we are. Oh my goodness, I wanna do another praise dance. Family, don't know what to really say. When I think about the goodness of these wings and what they have done for me, my belly cries out, deliciosos! Ooh! Thank you for not starving me. Oh my goodness, vibes fam. Uno afe. Oh no. Look pan them wings there. Tell me, if you never had a thing for try this, tell me say this now make you rethink on wings life. You have to try it. Cause me nah go around me not listen, me not tell you no. Like, if you not try none of my other wings recipe, you guys have to try this. Me I beg you, don't make this pass uno by. right? Don't make it pass on the belly by. I promise you guys will thank me. Uno ago tell me thanks. Right? Because me I tell you now, one piece of praise break, run up and down, giving God thanks and mourning take place when I was demolishing these wings. So Vibes fam, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. New watchers, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Please follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And guys, please subscribe and share. God bless you.